G'day and happy Cocktail Fridays. As always, I'm your host, Troy. Today, I'm joined by Nathan Foley, and today we're making... What are we making, mate?
We are making a chocolate milkshake, but with some extra stuff in there that's going to tickle our fancy, or maybe our bloodstream. I don't know, whatever you call it. How you going, Troy? Good to see you, man.
Good to see you, Nathan. Okay, chocolate milkshake, only crunchy. This recipe calls for Bailey's,
Some vanilla vodka,
Hershey's syrup,
and my childhood favourite, Cocoa Pops.
add some ice into your shaker, then add
50 mils of some Baileys.
20 mils of vanilla vodka.
And all you have to do is shake. All over.
Woo!
That's what happened to you last night, wasn't it?
Yes.
Give it a shake. Looking for that, aren't you? Dancing with me, Troy.
I'm dancing, I'm shaking. Are you shaking at home?
Yep.
Pour your mixture into a fancy glass. Top up with some Cocoa Pops.
Garnish with some Hershey's. Look at that. I like me some chocolate.
Wait a minute, you've got a few gigs coming up, haven't you?
I do, mate. Yeah, I've actually got two shows, Troy. A show called Unforgettable, which is a 50s and 60s show, and Aussie to the Bone, which is an Australian pop rock show, which you get to saw.
Yeah.
See last week.
Not to be missed. It's a great show. It also has Jess King on vocals as well as a backup.
Absolutely. But if you're around, go and check out nathanfoley.com, and you'll be able to see all the shows that are coming up in the next 12 months or so.
Thanks, Nathan.
Thanks, buddy.
Cheers.
Cheers, man.
Well,
Bloody good.
we're all done. Tell us what you do to improve this recipe. See you next time.
Good look.
Thank you. Bye, everyone.
See ya.
See ya.